biker didn't see this sudden stop of traffic coming. Meanwhile, removing the hand from the brake was a big mistake.
No, aspetta, sto io da mezzo alla strada, scusa.
Oh my god.
Whoa! Woo! The show must go on, ladies and gentlemen. And that was my fault, because see, they don't see you kind of coming down here like this.
For some unknown reason, the driver was unable to remain in his lane. The rider thought it was dangerous enough that he decided to react.
You wanna kill someone?
Pardon?
You wanna kill someone? Right in the middle of the road in the corners? If it's biker, I have a camera. I have a camera. I don't say about me.
I wasn't going round the corners hard. I was going in the
I
middle
have
of the road,
everything
so
in the camera. Take your lane. If you
Because
corner,
we weren't going, excuse me, because we weren't going. There was nothing in front of me. So you're going round corners, harsh,
Yeah,
with a car full of
yeah.
people. I was coming out. I wasn't riding down the road. You just overtook me, so that was even worse. Can you go up now?
I have a camera.
I've got a car full of children. I've got a car full of children, and you're threatening us. So can you go now? Thank you.
Mad.
Segura? Tá segura?
Ai!
Segura! Ai, caímos, galera. Aí, ó, é que a bosta.
Tá de boa? Levanta aí. Tá de boa? O Slider salvou, hein? Calma. Pode ir. Tá de boa?
The biker was trying to draw the bus driver's attention, but that didn't work.
Serious? Don't do it.
Ai, vai cair. Caiu.
Good. So what's up?
We'll help you pick it up.
Yeah, you guys. I don't know what I should do because I have full gap. What do you guys think? Should I call the police?
I'll
Get a
tell
police
you, if you
report?
call the police, they're gonna charge you with careless and reckless.
You think so?
Oh,
Well,
well,
what? There's gravel everywhere.
Yeah, well, depending on your story, because if highway patrol comes, they're gonna charge you with careless and reckless. That's just what that's the way they'll do. 100%. Anytime you're up here and you wreck, you get like my buddy. We were up on 181 one time. Go to a nice quiet back way.
E quindi ragazzi, questo era un po' il video che volevo fare da tanto tempo in realtà, e adesso che diciamo sta arrivando la bella stagione, porco...
Thanks for watching till the end, I hope you've enjoyed it. See you soon in the next video. Ride safe.